If you're looking for an awesome product at a great price, be sure to check out the link in the description. The UK government is set to launch a new initiative offering a lifeline to seriously ill and injured children trapped in the besieged Gaza Strip. Details of a scheme to evacuate these children to the UK for treatment under the National Health Service, NHS, are expected within weeks. This announcement follows months of mounting pressure, both domestically and internationally, highlighting the desperate humanitarian situation unfolding in Gaza. The plan will see taxpayer-funded care provided to children in critical need, a significant expansion on the existing, privately funded efforts of organizations like Project Pure Hope. This charity has already successfully brought 3 children to the UK for treatment, showcasing the feasibility and impact of such interventions. One particularly poignant case involved 15-year-old Matt Al-Shagnobi, whose jaw was severely damaged by an Israeli tank shell. He underwent complex facial reconstructive surgery at Great Ormond Street Hospital, a testament to the specialized care available within the NHS, and the dedication of medical professionals willing to offer their services pro bono. The 2 other children, 13-year-old Rama and 5-year-old Gina, received privately funded operations for pre-existing conditions, further underscoring the urgent need for a broader government-backed program. The scale of the crisis is undeniable. UNICEF reports over 50,000 children killed or injured in Gaza since the October 2023 outbreak of conflict between Hamas and Israel. This staggering figure underscores the urgency of the situation and the potential scope of the upcoming UK government initiative. The government's commitment to action comes after sustained calls for intervention. Over 100 members of parliament, spearheaded by Labour MP Stella Creasy, signed a letter demanding the evacuation of at least 30 critically ill children. A July report from the Foreign Affairs Select Committee revealed previous ministerial refusal to support such an evacuation, citing logistical challenges related to travel permits, medical visas, and safe transportation. Furthermore, the government faced potential legal action from a law firm representing 3 critically ill children in Gaza. The government's inaction contrasted with the swift response from other nations like Italy, which has already evacuated dozens of Palestinian children and families since January 2024, intensified the criticism. The Sunday Times, which first broke the story, cites a senior Whitehall source suggesting the potential evacuation of up to 300 children, each accompanied by a parent or guardian and siblings, if necessary. Rigorous biometric checks by the Home Office will precede travel. Project Pure Hope, having paved the way with its pioneering work, has welcomed the government's initiative and offered its expertise to ensure a swift and efficient rollout. They've advocated for a system mirroring the support provided to Ukrainian refugees, emphasizing the need for a structured and effective response. The UK's parallel efforts to deliver humanitarian aid to Gaza, working with the Jordanian government on airdrops to alleviate widespread starvation caused by Israel's blockade, underscore the multifaceted approach being employed to address the ongoing crisis. The announcement comes against a backdrop of heightened political pressure. Labour leader Keir Starmer has pledged to recognize a Palestinian state in September, contingent upon Israel agreeing to a ceasefire, increasing aid access to Gaza, halting land annexation in the West Bank, and committing to a 2-state solution through a meaningful peace process. The upcoming government initiative represents a significant step, offering hope and a potential path to recovery for some of the most vulnerable victims of the devastating conflict in Gaza, even as broader political resolutions remain elusive. The details of the scheme, the selection criteria for the children, and the logistical challenges involved in their safe transfer will